Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, going to learn how to delete Airbnb account. We will also include links for our ultimate Airbnb packing list in the description below. To start, open the website airbnb.account. Then click on the profile logo at the upper right corner of the screen. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Log In. Click on Log In. Next, on the field provided, enter your phone number. Then click on Continue. A 6-digit code will then be sent to the number you have provided. Enter it in the field provided to continue. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Account. Click on Account. Here you will see an option for Privacy and Sharing. Click on Privacy and Sharing. Under Manage Account Data, you will see an option that says Delete Your Account. Click on Delete Your Account. On this page, you will see details about account deletion process. Read through the information given. At the bottom of this page, you will be asked where do you reside and why are you deleting your account. Answer the following questions. Then click on Next. Lastly, confirm your account deletion by clicking on the button that says Delete Account. That's how you delete your Airbnb account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.